Hi, I'm James Lamont, Director of the Vidine Center for Rural Economic Development at the University of Minnesota at Crookston. I would like to welcome you to our supply chain series. Today we're going to discuss the second half of the future of trends with respect to transport. As I mentioned in previous discussions, global ag is changing. This is occurring at the urban level where we're starting to see more vertically integrated farming to feed populations in urban centers. Simultaneous to that, we're starting to see new technologies with respect to how products are being basically cultivated through either algae feedstock or hydroponics or seawater farming, or in some cases, sophisticated desert agriculture. In addition, simultaneous to this, we're seeing a lot of GMOs and 3D printing and cultured meats to kind of offset some of the protein issues that people have with various diets. To augment those components and opportunities within the space, we're seeing drone technology and data analytics that'll help more or less using artificial intelligence or nanotechnology move forward either food sharing or crowdfunding or even, crowd farming, etc. So we're seeing these trends which are clearly impacting each farm, each producer, each processor, each elevator, you name it, it's happening. So it's important to kind of look at these trends and understand how you could leverage these trends with respect to your particular farm. Given that we have a number of growing and shifting diets, first of all, we're seeing those rapid evolutions or rapid growth, if you will, in demand for our products in the upper Midwest, whether they be food grade products or oils that are cultivated or value added from our food grade products, etc. Same thing with improved global production. The world is starting to catch up to the United States in terms of its yield, and that's something we're going to have to look at. Environmental and social corporate governance, private equity and debt markets are clearly looking at how we create our products and feed the world. And then naturally, we're probably looking at a dollar decline given the extensive borrowing that's been done because of coronavirus, which could work in your favor. Global commodities tend to be priced in US dollars. So if the dollar does decrease, which many projections indicate, at least at the time of this reading or this discussion, that this is likely a scenario, this is something you should plan for and prepare for. So what's on the world's menu? As you know, we've had a number of evolving and changed diets. Pulses continue to grow rapidly, cereals, pulses, especially if you look at South Asia. Sugar continues to kind of remain constant but grow a little bit with the global population. Vegetable oils are huge, and that can be in the form of consumption and or energy production. Meats, same thing. We've seen a lot of growth and development there, but we're also starting to see a lot of alternatives which could impact meat production. So as a result, in looking at these various trends, as well as the tech and movement models that are happening, it's important to kind of take a hard look at where you're farming, what you're doing, and how you could leverage these trends as well as available capital to more or less project and meet the demand of the future so that your farm or your production facility is ready to assume a new role in this global supply chain environment. Thank you for joining us today and have an amazing afternoon.